Listing an item the right way is the key to a successful business development process. At DSM Tool, we are committed to deliver the best and most up-to-date compliant listing tools and update their features according to the changes in eBay and other destinations in order to supply the best search engine optimized listing process. In order to list an item from a source to destination, for example, Amazon.com to eBay.com, all you need to do is go to the items page, copy the link and paste it to the Rapid Lister. If you're using the Smart Bot, you will notice a List Item button under the Amazon's Add to Cart button on the items page. Clicking on it will take you straight to the Rapid Lister page, pasting the link in the link line. The next step is choosing the correct destination you will publish the item to. Choose the correct destination according to your supplier's location or shipping policy. Since we used an item from Amazon.com, we will publish it to eBay.com. Choose the relevant template you would like to use for the list. DSM Tool free templates are mobile friendly and compliant with eBay 2017 requirements. Clicking on Import will move you to the next step. In some cases, the Rapid Lister will block the item's import. For example, when an item is out of stock or shipped from a location that is not supported by DSM Tool Rapid Lister, such as an Amazon item which is sent from China. At the top of the page, you can view the item's details from the source marketplace, its image, title, price, and other details, such as Amazon price notation for items in the Prime program of Amazon. Different sources will show different details. Below, you can find the item's title improvement tool. You can view the item's title at the source marketplace, with a counter of how many more characters are left to use on the destination. eBay, for example, allows up to 80 characters in the title, and the counter will act accordingly. The other marks removal button will take off all commas, brackets, etc. from the title. DSM Tool suggests an automatically improved title and suggested keywords from an automatic keywords research performed for each title. The final price calculation is divided into a few parts. The source price, in our case, the price from Amazon.com, is shown here. To the price, we add the desired profit, who could be set manually here. You can set a default desired profit at the account settings page. The desired profit is calculated from the source price. For example, a 20% desired profit of a $10 item would be $2. The break-even percentage is the additional aggregated fees and taxes it is recommended to add to the final price, according to the different fees and taxes of the various sources and destinations marketplaces. For example, eBay fees, PayPal fees, Amazon or Walmart taxes, etc. DSM Tool Rapid Lister calculates the final price according to the additional break-even percentage you define manually here, or according to the default break-even percentage you can define at the account settings page. Finally, you can view the final price as it will be set in the published listing here. DSM Tool sets automatically the different parameters of the list you're about to upload, according to the data that is automatically taken from the source website. The more data you supply during the listing process, the more eBay search engine, also known as Cassini, will promote your list in the search results. And so, we work together as much data as possible. First is category, which is being selected automatically by DSM Tool according to the most relevant category that is related to the item you're about to upload. DSM Tool Rapid Lister will also try to select a free of charge category for you in order to reduce your costs for list publishing. You can also set the category by using the relevant category ID in the line box to the right. UPC, EAN, manufacturer part number, and brand name are also important details which aren't always being automatically taken from the source website. In a case where a UPC number is not available, click on the word UPC and an automatic search will appear. Choose the right UPC number from the list by matching the item you're uploading with the right item in the list. Copy and paste it into the UPC line box. Choose the quantity you would like to set to the list on the target. Once you choose a quantity, the Rapid Lister will remember your choice and your following listings will automatically be set to the quantity you chose, until the next time you change it. You can also change the handling time according to your supplier handling time or to the time you know it takes you to process the order. There are many domestic shipping options when dealing with suppliers and customers. The two main ones are expedited shipping, a domestic up to 5 days shipping, usually delivered within 1 or 2 days, and economy shipping, a slower shipping service, usually between 7 and 14 days. If your supplier provides a fast shipping option, for example, Amazon Prime program, it is recommended to use expedited shipping. Some of the listing properties are automatically assigned to your listing according to your preferences, as set in the account settings page, and according to some automatic search optimized and drop shipping oriented properties, set by DSM Tool Rapid Lister automatically. To control the different settings, go to the account settings page. The source items images are being automatically imported and uploaded to a remote server by the Rapid Lister. You can choose a main image with the selection boxes or delete an image by clicking the X mark on the top left corner of the image. To add a new image, click on Add New Image icon to the right. You can drag and drop images straight from your computer or add a web address reference to an image and click Upload. The content area is where you can view and re-edit your template with the data that was imported from the source marketplace. When toggling the content area, you can view your template already with the description, features, and other data taken from the source item. Only the title is not being imported in order to put the title after the changes you're making in it on the final list. You can edit the content in an HTML mode by clicking Tools and Source Code. Make changes using the editor and add logos using the Add Logo button. Since May 2016, eBay shows on mobile devices 800 characters of your listings in a preview mode. This content is also taken in count in eBay Cassini search engine. Therefore, we allow you to edit separately the content displayed to clients who reach your listings from their mobile devices. Since DSM Tool Rapid Lister import the data from a source item, you can choose which data to present in the mobile preview mode. In the mobile preview box, you can view the mobile preview and edit it. Since this video was recorded a few days before the feature was ready, you cannot see the mobile content, which will be visible in your listings. In the web view, you will find a mobile content placeholder. After clicking Publish, the mobile content you entered in the mobile box will add instead of the placeholder. Do not remove the placeholder, otherwise the mobile changes will not take effect. Clicking on Publish will lead you to a various of options. If the listing process is approved by the destination marketplace, in our case ebay.com, your final listing fee will appear and a Publish button will enable you to finish the listing process, and DSM will automatically redirect you to the price monitor to view the new list in it. Sometimes you might get a warning from eBay or DSM. Read the warning and act accordingly. Decide whether to continue to publish or go back to edit the different properties and content. An error could occur. Please read it carefully and act accordingly. Refer to the Help Center for further warnings and errors help.